Come, buddies. Come. Come. Good bird, Bula. Come on. Good bird, Winter. You wanna take a bath? What about you, Winter? You gonna take a bath? Take a bath, Bula. Good bird, Winter. Come on, Winter. Bula. Winter is eating. Come. Go. Mùi hả nhỉ?
To me, I also say the 嗰個短嘅冇。
係咁多啦。
3蚊。
幾多錢呢個？
全部啊。
So I go back, I just pour inside can. Then 依個邊啊？I 袋啲佢咪。多啦。
咖喱3。
嗰邊啊，你唔使加入去，加入。
35啊？嗰條35。
哦，35我唔俾。
哦。
冇咖喱。
OK
你
OK。
加係啦，我唔好俾。
OK。我一條。
你加多落去唔收得嘅。
啊。唔使切，我自己切得啦。
你埋你。
哦，唔該晒啊。啊。
啊，呢啲啊，交嚟。啊，啲啊搞咁多5間骨。哦。
Okay, gotta make some salted fish sambal. My guest over the weekend cleared all my stock. Chili padi. We got our fish. Over there. Sasong. This one? Sasong. Okay, so today I think I'm gonna try some of the ingredients I bought back from Hanoi. These are the sasong, the sea worms, Vietnamese cinnamon, Vietnamese black cardamom, and Vietnamese star anise. Fish fur broth. Nice. Okay, first bus ride without needing to wear a mask. Freedom. So I'm heading to Orchard Road to check out some serveware, plates, bowls. One thing I've learned is that if you see something that you like at a shop and you can afford it, just buy it, because if you don't, you'll just keep like thinking about it, and you'll end up going back to check it out and then deciding again not to buy it, and then you keep thinking about it, and then at the end you'll just have to go down again and buy it. So if you like something, you can afford it, just buy it.
because just if you remember when we gone to Easter Village, you remember it was happening to us that whenever we were entering the thing, it was coming between even and even. Hi, welcome.
Hi. Oh, you changed the layout a bit, huh?
Yeah, we are actually expanding our houseware side. So
Oh,
you
okay.
see changes with our store.
Do you still have the ones with the blue rim?
The most, yeah, the collection.
Oh,
yeah.
over there, okay.
Yeah.
Thinking of getting this for my ceviche. I like this because it looks like the old school enamel plates, but it's ceramic.
On the Kelvin,
Yes.
Kelvin.
Oh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
2 master bowl and 1 of the measuring cup. That
Yeah.
will be 104.85. And just check here.
I want my lunch now, and I want my noodles, literally. I want my noodles. Is Derek here?
He go to buy something.
Oh, okay.
Here. So just order it outside here.
Okay, truffle noodles. Nice. Some soup. You have some chili? Padi, yeah? A lot, huh?
Cut chili or sambal?
Bit of both. Bit of both. Okay. Truffle noodles. I've had his noodles before and it's good. He hand makes it. From what I know, his wife is Indonesian and their family has a noodle business in Indonesia. Okay, let's crack open that egg. Huh? Good. Okay, came back.
You like spicy, right?
Hey, I just ate it.
It's okay lah. No need to finish.
Oh, you rush back and then make me a bowl of noodles.
Don't worry.
How's business, man?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, so now Derek is selling fresh noodles. I was just asking him about it, and then yes, he's got fresh noodles for sale. It's egg noodles.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And how long does this keep?
5 days in the fridge.
5 days in the fridge?
1 month plus or 2 months in the freezer.
In the freezer, okay.
Yeah.
And what do you recommend eating with this? What do you
anything-
recommend?
Any local dishes? Any noodle stir fry, soup, dry noodle?
Okay. And how much
Dry
is
sauce.
how much are you selling?
2 for $5.
2 for
four
$5.
for $8. 9 for $16.
Ah, okay. I will try one. So I've just updated our website. Do have a look. You can check out the menu. You can check out a page that tells a bit about Poon Supper Club, how it came to be. Check out our goods. We've got reviews as well. There's quite a few people that have eaten at our place and like the food. Also check out our YouTube channel. I've been posting some videos lately. If you like the content, if you've watched it, you like it, click like, click subscribe, because it lets me know that the content is appreciated and I'll do more. Fiji style ceviche called kokonda, plated using the new sort of bowl plate that I got from Crate and Barrel.